stuff. That was good stuff.
If you could do as many woos tomorrow as you can.
Woos?
If you could practice your woo for tomorrow, that would be great.
My woo will be way better tomorrow.
We're gonna need you.
I'm trying to wake people up. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm next door.
Oh, you're cool. Bring some friends over.
Play some music. Yeah.
Come on over, man.
Yeah. Okay, good.
What's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly, all right. My name's Pete.
Brittany.
This is Brittany. That's Randy. Hub. I call him Hub. His name is Justin.
Justin.
Dustin.
Good job.
Or you can call him Dustin. He doesn't like that.
He doesn't like that, but you can.
And this is John Bolway right there.
I won't remember
They're playing tomorrow. They're playing tomorrow at 5 o'clock. They're playing on the stage tomorrow at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
This is some cool stuff.
So I'll remember that they were next door neighbor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those were decent last night.
I don't know. I think that's kind of cool.
Might still be a little hazy.
Cool. I just am awful with names.
Oh no, well, I'm just trying to make you feel welcome.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Remember the faces. Yeah. I don't know why I know you.
Oh yeah, you gotta do that one.
Are you doing your Wordle?
I am.
I got Wordle on 2 today. 2 days ago, I didn't get it.
Get my rain jacket, please.
Screwed my man. What song is that? I almost thought you guys were gonna go. Jane says. It was there. It was kind of close, but
Did you stay for the show the other night? Did you go last the whole night the other night?
I did. But I was a little lipped.
You didn't do that though, did you?
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah,
we did
that's
it.
where I thought you were going with
We did a
it.
whole verse of it.
Yeah.
People were like, play, sing more verse. Oh, I only know one verse. Sorry.
Yeah. No, it's cool.
You like that one?
You email him?
No, I'm paying the guys for this gig that happened a long time ago. It's got paid, so I'm trying to get
I think y'all need to play that, man.
He's coming. He just took me real fast.
A little more rain. Oh, even better. Let the call, they say, staying the same. With the help of God, 2 friends come to realize you'll try too far, baby. Any way you try, I lost the words. Hurricanes, don't forget the cold.
All right, now.
Looking like you're dying. Look yourself up far. Look at the stars above. Go on downtown, baby. Find somebody to love. Oh, why?
Where you going?
I fucking forgot it. I'm not a rock star, dude. I forget it. I just sing when I feel it. want, but sometimes then you don't. Leave your mind alone and just get high.
I give you an applause on that one.
That's right. All the war freaks died off, leaving us alone. Raise our children the decent way we can. Try, brother, any way we can. Oh, hurricanes, much faster than
Trains.
don't forget the pole. Probably totally off the words on that.
Yeah, everybody thinks small.
Anyway, that
I
was
thought it
fun.
was great, Pete.
I thought it was fun.
Cheers,
I had a
bro.
good
Nice
I was
job.
feeling it. I was feeling
I
it.
tried. You don't need no gypsy to tell me why. State of mind.
Maybe play something he doesn't know.
Yeah, these fucking dudes can play whatever you want. Sir,
One big thing you should
name one.
Save